Hey guys, how are ya? It's a Friday afternoon, straight after work. I'm heading out 5 hours drive all the way out to the high country. Gonna have a crack for some trout. Doing a bit of different stuff this time around, so hopefully I can get on for you, and hopefully some bacon and eggs. The breakfast of champions. Especially after not much sleep at all. What time we get here?
By the time we got out of the car and sorted, like as in just figured out what we're doing, it was 2. No, yeah, 2 by the time we figured sleep at 1:30 maybe?
Oh yeah. The latest setup I've ever done. It's 1:30 in the morning.
Good fun though.
Roll the beds out. But wake up to this. I'll show you in a minute. Is that good, is it, Steve?
Not good enough for YouTube.
Alright, yeah guys, here's the river, as you would have seen in the previous footage. Absolutely beautiful spot this, Mitta river is fantastic. I've been here before, I camped, and this is the first series that I ever filmed was from this campsite here. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll leave links up here, you can go and check that out. Mainly trout we're going for here today, and tomorrow we're after cod. So yeah, it's going to be a good send. Hopefully you enjoy it, and hopefully we can catch some fish. This river looks amazing. Let's go catch some fish. Whacking bag here. Oh, look at what? There you go, Mod. Awesome looking thing. How sick does that look? Look at his wings. Dude, I need to get in here. You're in my way. See ya. That was funny. Is that a flash then on that? No, I don't think so.
No, I think it's more like lure dug in on
No, I meant like I thought I saw a flash on your lure.
possibly because I did let go, but could have been a yabby, not a yabby, crayfish or something.
Oh, here we go. He's on. Keep your rod tip down. That's a good fish. That's beautiful. That's a good 38 centimetre fish probably. Am I still recording?
Yeah.
Sweet. First fish of the session. I'll get back in the water for a sec. Fit. Get some photos, mate. That was a quick fight. See you later, dude. Okay, so the micro swim bait got a little bit of attention earlier, but then it just it sort of dried up on looks and bites and things like that. It might be this bit of water, but I've just changed back to a Jiggle fishing Wiglah. This is a 50mm in like a black and like a red and green fleck colour. You can find these on a link in my description if you want to check them out. Great products. I've been catching a range of different fish on these, like I've said in other videos, so worth having a look at if you want to have a look. Oh, big carp right in front of me. Look, look.
Holy shit. That was huge.
I couldn't believe that. I got one.
Oh, nice.
Just started recording again. Good fish. Little brown, I think. Oop. Look at it. Not as big as yours, but still nice. Quality little brown trout.
Size, mate. That's beautiful silver colouring though.
Yeah, nice fish.
Look at it.
Alright guys, lovely brown trout on the Jiggle fishing Wiglah. Straight in the corner of the mouth there, you know we wanted to eat it. Lovely, about 30-32 centimetres. Fantastic looking fish. Yeah, we'll get him back in a sec. Starting to warm up so we can't keep him out of the water too long. Alrighty, out comes the hook. Out comes the hook for you. We've been swimming him for a little while, just playing around with him for a little while, but that's all. Give him a swim. Go on. Woohoo! Bloody love trout fishing. It's great to be back up here. Awesome. Woo! Nearly fallen over too. So we just got back from our little venture this morning. Gentleman's hours. I think we got on the water at like 10 o'clock. So yeah, back at the campsite that we were at for Hoff and Hop. Back at the campsite that we stopped at a couple of years ago for Hoff and Hop. My sister's here with us this time. Kate, she missed out last time. So yeah, just down for the weekend send. So she'll piss off tomorrow when we piss off. So yeah. Got a bluey. G'day, bro. He's a good size.
He's beautiful.
Hey, buddy. You're all good. Gotta get him off the road so he stays away from cars. So, here, bro. Take it easy. Go home. Now I'm gonna have a crack at chasing trout on fly fishing gear. Never done it really before. I've done it, oh look, I did it 15 years ago. I've only ever caught one trout on fly. That was a nymph by accident when I was about 12 years old. So not really counting that. So I'm sort of counting this as my first trout on fly. Let's hope we can get it. Oh, I missed him. Bugger. Get back in there. Oh, I missed the hit, you bastard. YouTuber's worst nightmare strikes again. I have got my first fish on dry fly. It's a little brown trout. And I missed the hook up, you guys. But I reckon I'll get a couple more, to be honest with you. Because there's heaps of fish jumping around in here. I'm going to get a couple. So that's the first one. About 25 centimeters, absolutely awesome. I am stoked with that fish. That's so cool. Whoa. Come on, fly. Come on, trout. See you, buddy. Time to get number 2 on dry. This is going to happen. Oh, I missed him. I missed him. Bugger.
Everybody.
Great lads.
Oh, morning.
Morning.
Oh, hello, Sunfan, my old friend. Oh. Oh. Good morning.
Always comes time you have to leave a place that you love. Ta-da, omeo. We are leaving you, but on to bigger and better things. So, We're heading up over Hotham this morning. We're going to stop by in Wangaratta, say good day to Robbie Alexander if we can catch him. He is doing a bit of a thing at adventure camping and fishing until about 1 o'clock this afternoon. So we're going to try and catch him. If we don't, that's not a big deal. But yeah, and then we're going to head off and fish with some cod. So let's get into it. We'll get over this hill, we'll get in some fish.